wonder where the lockbox is.
But it's not on the door. I mean,
Looks like
of course it wouldn't be on the door.
Looks like another scavenger hunt.